Gold dropped till towards 1910, 1911, which proven out to be a very strong support and bounced back and recovered sharply since then, now trading again at 1935. Likewise, silver has gone below 23, in fact went till towards 22.8 and now recovered and trading at 23.6 levels. I hope you all profited yesterday. Now what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start with the gold first and followed with we'll see silver in the end. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Also, pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the next update on gold, which will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Now, these are the hourly charts for gold. You can see it has got the support here at 1900, then a rally towards 1938. Now it is trying to consolidate despite a dip which it has achieved close to 1911, 1910 levels. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, first thing is first support at 1930. So we will make this as a base case. Definitely you can see 1930, which was the previous stronger resistance, now is going to be a support for the day. So once it drops below 1930, you can sell again and expect 19, 25, 24. Whatever we have seen yesterday, again the same levels are going to apply. So if you see it trading below 1930, you can sell, expect 1925, and then below that you can expect 1920, 1915, 1910, same levels what we saw yesterday. Also, interestingly, we did see today that gold has in fact achieved the highs at around 1937 levels and it's getting a little resistance here. You can see this. It tried to achieve lower highs and in fact has reversed or trying to trade with a minor drop since then. So we will be watchful of 1938 levels, beyond which little more bullishness can be expected, and then 1944, 1950 levels can be expected if it trades above these levels. And in fact 1940 244 rather, I will say this is going to be a little resistance zone. Beyond that 1950 can be expected. Now see, directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic is overbought and it is trading consistently overbought. The MACD has crossed here at bottom, trading with divergence, trading bullish here, looking upwards. RSI is trading flat here. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see rise, retracement, bottom, rise. Now there are a couple of things which can happen. Either it could form a double top or a high at around 1942 and reverse there, form this channel. So this is something which is possible, because then the lows can be at around 1950 levels for the day if it continues to trade bearish from there. So this is one probability, because we can see this drop here and then the retracement. So probably higher highs and then from there higher lows. So it may try to trade in this channel. This is one probability which can happen here. And if you look at the directional movement here, this is bullish. The stochastic here is overbought. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence and trading on the buy side here. RSI is trading near the highs there. Now look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts also similar observation, nothing different. And probably because see higher lows are seen, so higher highs, which means it can try to fly till towards 1944-45 levels. There is one probability. But yes, if you see it trading below 1930, you can sell for 1925, 1920 levels, and below that 1915, 1910 can be seen. However, 1915 can be a very good support for the day, and if it breaches, certainly more bearishness can be expected. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD has again crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is the first green candle and this is trading bullish here on the 3-hour charts. RSI is trading at the highs. Also on the 4-hour charts, similar observation what we saw on the 1H, 2H, 3H. Directional movement here is also bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover, and if you look at, see it has dropped from the highs what it had seen when it was at 1938 last week, and see it is again trying to reverse on the upside. I'll wait for it to cross over for it to show the bullish momentum. RSI looking upwards here, again trying to enter into overbought zone. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. see if you connect it from here, higher lows are seen. Yesterday also it failed to break past the lows of this channel, and if you look at the highs here, so certainly it appears 1940-42 zone. First thing is going to be a good resistance. This is a bullish squeeze here. Possibly once it breaks out either which ways, it can give you a good bullish momentum or a bearish breakout. But remember, it is consistently trading overbought here, and hence a little retracement maybe later in the week before it achieves the highs is possible. And if you look at the downside on the daily charts, now see the 20 period moving average is at 1890, and remember 1880, 1870. If it reverses on the downside, trades below 1900, this zone is going to be the maximum support zone. Now look at the daily charts here. See couple of observation, previous two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and see the previous candle specifically with a long tail, and there is a stronger pullback. It closed in green. Now it opened flat and trying to trade bullish here. Once it trades past the previous highs what it saw here at 1938-39, then you can expect that there is little more bullishness which can be expected. 42-44 levels can be achieved, which is a very good resistance, and beyond that we can see it hitting 1950, which is a major resistance here. So 1940-1950 zone is a major resistance for gold here, and hence you need to remain careful. If it breaks past 1940 level, certainly more bullishness can be expected there. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic entering overbought levels. The MACD is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell, and if you look at the RSI, this is consistently trading overbought. So for the day, you can sell at 1930 and buy at 1938 levels, beyond which little more bullishness can be expected, and you can expect 1940 to 44 levels and then 50 levels to be seen today itself for gold, and beyond 1950 further bulls can be seen. On the downside, below 1930, same levels 1925, 20, 15, 10, and below that a stronger break can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch 19 starting 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Now see silver on the hourly chart. Silver has seen a sharp dip yesterday. It failed to break past 2420 levels, which was a very good resistance, as still 2430 and 2450-60 zone. We have told you several times that these are very strong resistance, and it is yet again achieving the lower highs at 2420 has reversed since then. Now remember, $24 is the strongest resistance here for the day. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, first thing is you can see it is trying to trade with giving you higher highs and higher lows. Now if you see it trading below 2340, you can sell again, and below 2340 you can expect that we might see it hitting 2320, 23, and then 2280 levels to be seen again. So sell at 2340. This is clear here. At the same time, now we can see 2360 giving it a little resistance, and beyond that 2370-80. Now this zone is going to be very important for silver. If it breaks past 2380, then only we can confirm that there is little more bullishness. So for the day, I think selling at 2340 and buying at 2360 will help you to make a little profit. But remember, till 2380 you should remain cautious on the upside, and in fact $24, as it can reverse, possibly achieving those levels. Look at the directional movement. This is trading with moderate bearishness, stochastic looking upwards again and is overbought. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence, but it appears it has seen the highs. We'll watch it more here. RSI trying to look downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now see silver's movement, it is on the 2-hour charts. This is in this trading in this bearish channel, and it has to break past on the upside above this zone here at $24 such that it can give you the breakout. Right now it is trying to fall shy of this, Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, 2360 is providing it a little resistance. Yes, it is a little resistance here, and if you buy here you can expect 2380, which is going to be the next strongest resistance, because beyond 2380 probably it may try to test $24 again, and beyond that little more bullishness can be expected. But right now it is just a retracement, so lower highs can be expected here. Directional movement is bearish here. It is trying to converge. The stock stick entering into overbought zone. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a bullish move again. RSI trying to look upwards, trying to show a little strength. If you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts, drop, retracement, and see last two candles. If you see here, it has got lower high. This was the breakout candle, and hence this makes 2340 as a very good support. If you see it trading below 2340, you can sell again for 2320 and below levels. And yes, above 2360. See, when I say 2360, the median of buy and sell levels has to pass above 2360 levels, and then you can expect it to fly past, because see the spread is almost 3 points there, and hence you need to be watchful, or rather you should wait for sell point or sell price to be 2360, and then you should take an entry there. The directional movement here is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic entering overbought zone. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI trying to trade flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, yesterday's move was a more severe one. See, this is expanding, and yes, this is trying to trade bearish. I will look forward to 24-20 zone, breaking beyond which only you can confirm that there is bullishness for the day. Yes, you can stay long about 2360 level. Similar observation, look at the previous two candles. See, this candle is a breakout. Previous two candles are consolidation, and that is why we can see a little high, breaking past which you can expect 2380, 24, and beyond that little more bullishness. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trying to look upwards, show some strength. And if you look at the daily chart, if you look at the daily charts, precisely it is trying to trade in this box 2280, 2250 to 2450 levels. Now this is $2 block which it is trying to sustain, and on the upside also, as we saw earlier, similarly lower highs, lower lows are seen. Hence wait for it to break past this zone in order to trade bullish. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic flat, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is flat there. Considering this, you can buy here at 2360 levels, and remember the sell levels at 2360 means the median could be at around 2362, so you should buy at around those levels and expect probably we may see 2380 first resistance and very strong resistance, and on the upside 24 the next resistance, and if you see it trading about 24, further bullishness can be seen. Till 2420 you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not consider this as bullish till the time it trades below 2420 levels. Do not consider this as bullish till the time it trades below 2420 levels, and hence you have to keep booking profits at every milestone. On the downside you can sell at 2340 levels, and which means the sell buy levels to be at around at 2340, which means the sell levels to be at around 2337, where you can sell and expect 2320 as the first target, $23 as the next, and below that a little more bearishness might take it till towards 2280 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and become a proficient trader. Reach out to me for more queries on your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.